that we should see a peak in gold just about here, a low in gold about here, a rally up to here. And again, it's not going to be perfect, but the general decline that we saw in gold certainly was forecast. And again, the beauty of this, the low here was known 3 months in advance, just as the high forecast here was known 3 months in advance. Recently, there's been a precipitous decline in gold. Let's see what that looks like with the cyclical forecast. Could we have known of this precipitous decline in gold in advance, 3 months in advance? Well, it certainly looks that way because there's a cyclical forecast suggesting a new cycle move should start just about this time period. And as you saw, that's what happened. Another really interesting market recently of that is wheat. Let's take a look at wheat. Here's wheat. The market sell-off in wheat is clearly indicated by the cycle forecast was known again 3 months in advance. Just as this big break that we saw in wheat in the end of March 2013, almost to the day, the cycle forecast we said we should start to drift lower. Now, at times we'll get an inversion in the cycle where if price has been coming down and the cyclical forecast suggests a peak, that really means that we're going to have a reversal of the cycle, that will have an up move in the market. What I have seen, I just looked at thousands of examples on individual stocks or futures, that we get a great prediction in advance of when markets are most likely to turn. And often the direction, most of the time, the roadmap is also just spot on. It's a great indicator